Fixing the SystemNet HTTP Library DLL pop-up requires an expert look at your shared files. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll automate that repair for you. Before starting the detailed SystemNet HTTP library fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the SystemNet HTTP library, the primary .NET assembly providing a programming interface for modern HTTP applications. It manages the full lifecycle of a web request, including SSL and TLS handshake negotiation and asynchronous data streaming via the HttpClient class. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. I found that reinstalling Microsoft.NET is the most consistent way to clear this error. Download the official Visual C++ installers for x86 and x64 from Microsoft and run them to refresh the library. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the SystemNet HTTP library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing SystemNet HTTP Library DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for SystemNet HTTP Library. Thank you for trusting us with SystemNet HTTP Library Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.